If your voiceovers aren't getting shortlisted enough, here's probably the reason why. And how do I know this? I'm Jesse Carroll. I'm a professional voice actor with over 2,000 credits. I've made over $1 million in voiceover, and I am the founder of VoiceOver School, where I teach you to do exactly the same. So, why aren't you getting more shortlists? It's a good chance if you have a proper setup, you've got a home studio, you've got all the basic stuff sorted out. It's probably not that. It's most likely this one thing that pretty much everybody that's new doesn't really think about. When you do an audition, the person who's listening to it, they're going to listen to over 100, maybe more in some cases, sometimes a couple hundred, sometimes over 500. In the case of Backroad Truckers, which I narrated, there was over 1,000, something like that. When they're listening to that many auditions at a time, they're only listening to the first few seconds. If you don't grab their attention right away, you're out. They're not going to wait till you warm up. You see, that's the problem with like a lot of voice actors when they get into this. They think they can warm up and then they're really cooking in the middle. No, you want to start in the pocket. So go over your script a couple times before you hit record and think about this too. Why are you saying that first line? Why are you saying it? What happened right before? Are you answering someone? You know, for instance, if you're talking about something for Best Buy and you say, Best Buy's got all the best deals this winter, would you just walk up to somebody and say that? No. Maybe you're responding. In your head, you're thinking, okay, why would I say that? Maybe somebody came up to me and said, why should I go to Best Buy? And I'm like, well, Best Buy has all the best deals of the winter. Now it sounds conversational. Now you've hooked them in right away. Now you're not just blasting out a big, bold statement out into the universe. You're actually talking to one person. So think about that. Think about your moment before, come in warmed up, and don't wait to the middle of it to get warmed up. Don't ramp up. You got to hit it. You got to make a bold choice right out of the gate and throw your personality into it. If you do those things, I guarantee you're going to get more shortlists. Just knowing that you've got to hit it in the first few seconds, that's going to help you out a lot. Most people don't really think about that. They think everyone's going to listen to their entire audition all the way through, and that is not the case. If you don't blow the doors off of it in the first 5 seconds, you're out. And if you want more daily voiceover tips like this, hit subscribe, hit the like button. If you're looking for coaching and you want to level up faster, check out the links below. Many ways to work with me. See you in the next one.